So when I got my Hyundai Santa Cruz, the rear part actually of the window, the heating worked. Right now it's still working, but not the middle part. Although you can see that the middle part actually also has these wires running through. And it's maybe because I'm opening and closing it all the time. And there is a wire connection, but I wonder, does anyone else also have that problem, or did it just broke with mine? And I maybe just opened that window like 30-40 times within the last 2 years. So actually it should not be broken, but unfortunately it is. And you see that's actually the part where the wire is connected. And I just wonder if other Hyundai Santa Cruz drivers also have the same problem, or if it's just mine, and if anyone knows if that's still maybe in warranty. So my car is a 2022 model. So that's a view from the outside. You can clearly see that it's not de-icing. And here more in detail, you see that's where you have the cable connection. And you can see that wire would run here all the way, but you see it's kind of got wobbly. I guess that's maybe supposed to be, but it's definitely not working. I can actually feel it's a little bit warmer here than there, so I wonder if anyone had that problem as well.